Hi, this is Reverend Victoria Loveland Cohen from Unity Center of Peace, and we together are lifting UCP back in the black. Black is beautiful in all of its different expressions, particularly on a financial report. But for whatever reason, probably a little thing called the pandemic, we have been seeing red instead, a little too much this year. But here's the thing, we know it's temporary. We know the Unity Center of Peace friends and members love their spiritual community, love to support their spiritual community. We all want to ensure that UCP continues to be here and offers empowering messages, inspirational music, deep meditations, the outdoor sacred spaces. An opportunity to give back to the larger community and really just kind of create this loving, accepting place for us to gather together and support each other in remembering who we truly are. I am so grateful for that. And in this month of gratitude, we are asking for you to participate in our GoFundMe campaign to help lift us back into that beautiful black. The funds raised here will go to our ongoing operations like building maintenance, staff, special music, the live streaming program, etc. And just like last year, we are offering these beautiful, magical selenite lamps that make beautiful holiday gifts, or maybe you just want to keep it yourself to add light and sacred energy to your space. Our goal this year is 6,000. We know with your support, we can get there. Thank you for all that you give, all that you do, and all that you are.